Sitting here, thinking about how you never loved me, how you still hurt me to find your joy. How could a mother do all this to their child? What kind of monster are you? Let it rain, rain on me, wash away all the tears that I've cried. Let it pour down on me, and let these tears just blend right in. You sent me to school with clothes that hid the bruises, told me not to tell a single soul how heartless to choose a man over me. What does that say about you? A monster who never loved her own daughter. Let it rain, rain on me, wash away all the tears that I've cried. Let it pour down on me, and let these tears just blend right in. Let it rain, rain on me, wash away all the tears that I've cried. Let it pour down on me, and let these tears just blend right in. I used to look up to you, I used to love you. Now I can't stand a single thing about you. You're nothing more than the monster that taunts me. Let it rain, rain on me, wash away all the tears that I've cried. Let it pour down on me, and let these tears just blend right in. You let it rain, rain on me, let it rain, rain on me. Sitting here,